Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to view more than one page on Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to view more than page in one. Go to the view menu and we can see here many options. We select the multiple page and we can see we view the more than page in one. Otherwise you can use the manually process. Select the zoom option and decrease the zoom. Then we can see we view all page at once. You can view the one page. Click the one page option and view one page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.